Angela Holt with DB4, and I chose case scenario number 1 with Carol Johnson. She wants to create an online class for her algebra class online, and she's got to decide what she's got to do. I can say from my own experience that I had the same exact thing happen to me. I had to take a class I was teaching residentially and put it online, and basically a lot of things had to take place in order to get it there. In organizational practices, what I figured out what I had to do was to make sure that there was communication between the students and myself. So by doing so, I set up regular WebEx meetings. I also did the community DB just like that we have in this course. And I created extra videos, as many as possible. Carol Johnson's going to have to create a lot of videos because she's teaching algebra. So that's going to be immense in the amount of videos she's going to need for this course. But ultimately, she's going to have to just make sure that the course is organized in a way that students can follow the direction of the course. But of course, not all the issues are going to be taken care of the first class that she teaches, so it's kind of a work in progress. But she has to be careful to plan, for the best and divert all of the worst things that could possibly happen. One of my sources that I was looking at was called Validating Competencies for Distance Teaching. And basically, what they were stating was that you need to have interaction with your learners and avoid as many technological and logistical problems as you can. And that's really all you can do is try to avoid them, but make sure you test and test and retest, but make sure everything works as properly as you can. But then also have times where you regularly meet with them, like WebEx meetings, regular online meeting times, or Skype or whatever, and just make sure that you've got everything in order and set up to where they understand the flow. And that's pretty much my organizational factors that she's got to consider.